Hello children, so welcome back to the class of St. Xavier's School. So today our topic is letters. Now here I will give you some key points of letters. How many types of letters are there, how we should write each letter, and then we will do the first letter which will come in your unit test. So let us see the topic. Now some key points about letter. So there are two types of letter. Which are there? Two types of letter. Which are they? Formal letter and informal letter. Which are they? Formal letter and informal letter. Some key points about formal letter and informal letter. I will give the meaning and format of both formal and informal letter. So first, to explanation, then how you have to write the formal letters in your notebook. First, I will teach you how to write the formal letter in your notebook. Okay, so formal letter means it is an official letter. Formal letter means it is an official letter. A formal letter is written for a purpose and follows a certain stipulated format. Now in formal letter we always write it as an official letter and it follows a stipulated format. Means formal letters we don't write to our relatives, friends or our whoever we are treating like friends or buddies. Okay, formal letter is always written to the designated person like principal or an officer or policer, मतलब जो एक पोजीशन में हो या पुलिस हो या कोई ऑफिसर्स हो या कोई बैंक में आप लेटर दे रहे हो या आप स्कूल में कोई एप्लीकेशन दे रहे हो, इवन व्हेन यू गिव द एप्लीकेशन टू द टीचर, all these letters are called formal letters. See, informal letters means when you are writing to your friends, cousins, auntie, uncle, mom, dad, chacha, chachi, जिसको भी आप लिख रहे हो. Formal letter means when we are writing to the designated person. So it has a stipulated format, means it has a format to be followed. Such letters are written for official purpose to authorities, dignitaries, colleagues, seniors, etc. and not to personal contacts like friends or family. Types of formal letter. Here there is a chart below which gives you some idea of formal letter and to whom it is written. यहाँ पे एक चार्ट में आपको पता चलेगा कि ये फॉर्मल लेटर हम किसे लिखते हैं और किस किस पर्पस से लिखते हैं. Like it is formal letter if you are complaining for job application, if you are referring somebody to someone, if you are recommending somebody to someone, if you want to give the resignation, if it is a thank you letter, or if it is a letter in the bank to give the interest or something like that. So these are the types, these are some of the types in which you officially write letter to the dignitaries. Now you have to keep the following points in your mind while writing the formal letter. The letter should always begin with the sender's address on the top left hand side. On the top left hand side हमेशा वो एक अपने एड्रेस से शुरू होगा जो लिख रहा है. You are the sender. If you are writing the letter, you are the sender. So you have to write your own address first. The sender address is followed by the date on the left hand side. Sender address आप लिख दोगे, एड्रेस के नीचे आपको डेट लिखना है और on the right hand side. Next, write the name, designation and address of the receiver. अभी आप जिसको लेटर लिख रहे हो, you are the sender because you are writing. To whom you are writing, that person is the receiver. So उसके नीचे डेट लिख दिया, डेट के नीचे वो रिसीवर का नाम, डेजिग्नेशन, उनका एड्रेस. Then the salutation. Salutation किसको कहा जाता है? Salutation is when you write respected sir, madam or principal etc. according to whom you are writing the letter. Salutation means when you are writing respected sir और ये सब आप जब लिखते हो, that is the meaning of salutation. Then you will write in the formal letter, that is the subject. Subject लिख के if you are complaining, so complaining about so and so, complaining about the water leakage. Okay, so according to that, if you want to take permission, so permission for the science lab. आप अगर अपने प्रिंसिपल को लिख रहे हो तो उसमें आपको लिखना परमिशन फॉर द साइंस लैब. बेस में लिख रहे हो. Then the body of the letter कि आप उसमें क्या मैटर लिखते हो, explanation of the subject कि what is the subject which you have written, you are explaining it. Then closing, it is the meaning like by writing yours faithfully or yours sincerely. You will never write yours lovingly to in an formal letter. Yeah, yours lovingly, yours friendly. These type of words will not come in formal letter. In formal letter, it will be always like yours sincerely, yours faithfully. You will write like that. So this was about the formal letter. What is about the formal letter? First, the formal letter is always written to the dignitaries, to the authorities. It is not written for the friends or families or immediate friends. Sender's address first, then the date, then the receiver's address, then the salutation, then the subject explanation, and then the closing part of the letter. So these are the points for the informal letter. Now informal letter, an informal letter is a letter written to your friends or family members or the people you are very closely related to. With whom you are very closely related to, whom you have an emotional attachment, we can say. Those person we write informal letter. Informal letter doesn't have any restrictions of language or a particular way. Like in formal letter, you have to be very proper in your language, very professional in your language. You cannot write, hi, this is my complaint or like that. You have to be very properly subject wise, जो भी format दिया हुआ आपको उस हिसाब से लिखना पड़ता है. But in informal letter, it is like a flexible letter. You can write it the way you want. Okay. So an informal letter is simpler and more flexible in style and format. It is more flexible. It is in any of the style you can write. The format of informal letter is at the top left corner you can write your own address. Again, top left corner you will write your own address. After the address you have to write the date. But no need of writing the receiver's address. Now here in informal letter there is no need of writing any receiver's address. कि आप किसको भेज रहे हो वो आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Salutation for informal ones goes like dear, my friend, my buddy, my love, like that you can write. Then of course the body of the letter you will write and you can start it with like I am, etc. You can mention yourself. Okay. Now in closing part you can write love, yours affectionately, yours lovingly, best wishes. Then you can write your nickname, official name or anything as per your letter. Here we don't need sign at the end because it is an informal letter. Informal letter, after we write our name in the closing section, we do our sign. But in informal letter, there is no need of the signature. You can write your nickname. If you don't want to write your nickname, it is flexible that you don't want to write, you are free not to write it. So informal letter is basically a bit more flexible. So this is all about the formal and informal letter. Formal letter is quite more restricted because it has steps. First sender's address, then receiver's address, then you have to write the salutation, then you have to write the subject, then body of the letter and then the closing part. In that also you have the restrictions with the language. You cannot write anything, you have to write it proper, professionally, to the point. You इधर उधर की बातें नहीं कर सकते. What you want to write, to the point you have to write. And informal letter it is flexible. In that you only have to write the sender's address, जो sender's address है, receiver's address and all that is not needed. So this was a quick learning about the formal letter and informal letter. So we'll go on to our first letter. Now in this first semester we have 3 letters. Letter to the manager of water board complaining about water leak in the pipeline. Letter to the librarian of public library requesting him to make him a member. Letter to the editor of Vidya Darshan magazine requesting him to publish a story you have written. So now for today we are doing letter number 1. What is that letter number 1? Write a letter to the manager of water board complaining about water leak in the pipeline. Now here we are writing the letter to the manager. तो ये कौन सा लेटर हुआ? Say yes, it is formal letter. And why it is formal letter? Because this letter we are writing to the manager about complaining about the water leak in the pipeline. तो कौन से manager को हम लिख रहे हैं? Water board manager. And what we are writing in that? Complaining about the water leak. So first, this is a random address I have written, and I have given you in the bracket that here you have to write your own address. Okay, this is a random one address. So यहाँ पे आप क्या लिखोगे? आपका खुद का एड्रेस. क्या लिखोगे? Your own address. Then you will write the date. See the date randomly I have written. You can write the date in which you are writing the letter. आपको उस दिन का डेट लिखना है. एग्जाम जब होगा तभी भी आप उसी दिन का डेट लिखोगे. Okay? Then this you will write what I have given to you. This address you will write what I have given to you to the divisional manager, water board, Gandhidham 370201. That is the pin code of Gandhidham. So this address will be same for everyone. Okay, we are writing to the divisional manager of the water board. So this address remains the same. So this is what? Receiver's address. What is this? Receiver's address. Now here, respected sir. What it is? Salutation. What it is? Salutation. So respected sir, it is salutation. Now comes our subject. What is the subject? Complain about water leakage. What is our subject? Complain about water leakage. Now we will start writing the letter. I am writing this to bring to your attention the major leak in the water pipeline that passes through Progress Colony. Okay. Now here we are mentioning directly the point. We will not write, hi sir, how are you? Hope you are doing well. I am fine. Nothing doing, because it is a formal letter to the manager. So directly we will come to the point. I am writing this to bring to your attention the major leak in the water pipeline that passes through the Progress Colony. The leak was noticed on 4th July 2019 by the children playing in the municipal park. The playground inside the park is completely flooded as the pipe passing through the park has developed to crack. During the last day, the water has spread to other areas of the park and into the compound of the neighbor houses. If the water reaches the underground electricity cables, major accident can happen. So we, the residents of Progress Colony, request you to urgently get the pipeline repaired so that further inconvenience to the people of this area can be avoided. And here you will write yours faithfully, your own name, and under your own name you will do the signature. So this letter was to the point. It is written that how the crack has come and how it is passing through the playground and how it is passing through the other houses. And because of the crack is developing day by day, it can go to the underground cables of electricity. And if it will go to the underground cables of electricity, it can damage the whole area. So because of that, they are complaining that you have to repair it as soon as possible. Otherwise, it can also be dangerous for the people's life. Okay. So this was to the point. What is the condition of the pipeline? How it is spreading here and there, and how it should be get repaired soon. So here it will be yours properly, your name, and under your name you will do your signature. I have given you the bracket. Here you have to write your name and your sign. So this was our letter number 1. So formal and informal letter, I told you what it is, and this was the formal letter, and this is going to come in your unit test. So start notebook. So keep your books complete and write down as I tell you. Okay students? Thank you.